Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome to our maths class. I am your maths teacher from United Public School, Tandoor. Okay, today we are discussing today we are start our next chapter, new chapter. What is that, ma? Linear equation in one variable. Okay, it is the second chapter of 8th class. Today we are discussing that chapter. What is the linear equation in one variable? First, we need to understand the what is equation, what is linear equation, and what is variable. Linear equation in one variable total statement we have to know that. Afterwards we are going to solve our exercise problems. Now let's see what is mean by equation first. Let's see what is equation. The statement that the value of two mathematical expression are equal. Okay, here one mathematical expression is there, here one mathematical expression is there, then the two values of two expressions of values is same, then the equation, then the value total expression is called equation. Okay, if you have the 3x plus 2, okay, is there no equal sign, means that 3x plus 2 is called as expression. When we put equals to 0 means that it is becoming equation. Okay, if you don't have the equal sign it become expression, if you have equal sign it become equation. Okay, indicate by the sign equation. Yeah, okay, equation how can we it indicate by the sign equals to. Okay, if you have anywhere equals to sign, that means that that value, that expression is equation. Okay, I hope you understand the equation. Equation is nothing but the value of two mathematical expressions are equal. Okay, here each time you have to know about the equation. Okay, what is the name of x and m plus, what is plus and 2, each time you have to know about the some names is there, you have to know about that. Each time you have the some name, first we have to know about the names. Okay, here 3 is there. Okay, 3 is a coefficient of x. Okay, x is there, x is a called variable. Okay, if you have y also variable, if you have z also variable. Okay, in front of any variable, that number is called coefficient. Okay, coefficient. Okay, can you understand my point? If you have any variable, in front of that variable any numbers is there, that numbers is called our coefficient. Okay, come to the next point. X is variable. If you have y, z, a, b up to a to z. Okay, if you have a to z any variable, any alphabet is there, that alphabet we call as variables. Okay, I hope you understand the two terms. Come to the next term. Here the plus is there, it is called as operator. Only plus is not operator. We have the 4 operators in maths: plus, minus, multiplication and division. These 4 are operators. Okay, these 4 are operator because we have 2 plus number, that's why the plus is operator. If you have minus also operator. If you have multiplication here, multiplication also operator. If you have division here, division also a operator. In maths we have 4 operators. What are the plus, minus, multiplication and division? Okay, I hope you understand that. Okay, what is that, ma? 2 is there. 2 is means in front of 2 any variable is in front of 2. Is there any variable? No, it is not any variable. That's why it is a constant term. Okay, it is a constant term. If you don't have any variable, that means it is a constant terms. 23 is there. In front of 23 is there variable. Zy is, no, it is there. There is no variable, means it is also constant terms. Okay, in front of any variable, that number is coefficient, and that variables is that alphabet is variable, and the plus minus is there or is operator. Is there no variable with attached with any, this number it is not attached with any variable, means that it is a constant terms. Okay, I hope you understand the each term of this equation. Okay, whatever number from this side, from left side is called left hand side. Whatever number is there on the right side, it become a left hand side, means LHS is equal to RHS. We can say now LHS is equals to RHS. What is LHS, RHS? Left hand side and right hand side. Okay, I hope you understand the each term of this chapter. It is an introduction. Let's see. We are up to that. We are what we are learn equation. We are up to that. We are clear the equation. We have to know about what is linear equation. Let's see. Okay, well, we have what we have to know about. We have to know about the linear equation. Okay, we have discussed about the equation. Let's next step is our linear equation. We have to know about that. Okay, if the degree of the equation is 1, then it is called a linear equation. What is degree ma? Degree is nothing but ma power. Okay, any power of the equation. I hope you understand what is mean by power ma. Power is nothing but degree ma. Let's see what is mean by degree. Can you see this equation ma? This is 4 equation. Here the degree, here the power is 2, means the degree is 2. Let's see here, come to the next step. Here the power is 5, means the degree is 5. Okay. Here the what is power ma? Power is 6, means the degree is 6. Okay. Degree and power has the same meaning ma. Okay. Come to the linear equation. If the degree, if the power of equation, you can say if the power of an equation, if the degree of an equation is 1, then it is called a linear equation. Okay, what is the examples is there ma? X plus 2 is equals to 7, y plus 3 is equals to 2, x plus 2, y is equals to 4. Can you see the any power is there? Power means there is no power, means the power is 1 ma. Okay, the power is 1 means that it is a linear equation or not ma? It is a linear equation because the degree of an equation, the degree of the power of an equation is 1 ma. This means if the degree of an equation is 1, then the equation is linear equation. It is a linear equation. Okay. The standard form of linear equation is ax plus b. Ax plus b is equals to 0 ma, is equals to 0. It is a standard equation of linear equation. Okay. First, what we have to know, we are discuss about the equation and linear equation. Now come to the next point. Linear equation in one variable. We have to know about the, we have to learn what is mean by this statement ma? Linear equation in one variable. Let's see the definition. If the linear equation has one variable, then it is called the linear equation in one variable and simpler equation. Okay. It is a standard form of x plus b is equals to 0. Let's see. 7x plus 2 is equals to 0. Can you see how many variables in this equation? Only x is there nama, y is not there nama. At a time we cannot use the two variables. Okay, at a time we cannot use the two variables, then the equation is linear equation. Here the 7x plus 2 is equals to 0. How many variables? One variable. And how many power? Only one power. This is called the linear equation in one variable. Total statement, I hope you understand. Here the power is 1 and the how many variables in the equation? Only one variable, means that the total equation can be written as, can be call it as linear equation in one variable because we have the one variable. Come to the next equation. Here also one variable number, which variable is y, means 3y plus 2 is equals to 0. Here how many variables? Only one variable. How many power? Only one power. Nothing is there, means it is a one power. Okay. It is also linear equation in one variable. 3z plus 4 is equals to 0. Here also one variable and power is 1. This means it is a linear equation in one variable. Here I am taking the one example ma. X plus 2y is equals to 4. The powers is 1. It is a linear equation. Can it is a linear equation in one variable? No, it is not in the form of linear equation in one variable because x is there, y is there. Because in this equation we have two variables. Okay. In this equation we have two variables. It is a linear equation, but it is not a linear equation in one variable. I hope you understand the difference between linear equation and linear equation in one variable. It is a example of linear equation, but it is not an example of linear equation in one variable because it has a two variable. Okay. I hope you understand the statement of our chapter. What is our chapter name? Linear equation in one variable. I am learn about the what is equation, and also we are know about the linear equation. If the equation having the power degree is 1, then the equation is called linear equation. In one variable means if the equation which in the form of a plus b is equals to 0 means that the degree should be 1 and the variable should be only one variable in the equation. Okay. It having the only one variable, then we can say that the linear equation in one variable. Let's see our exercise problems. It is an introduction. You have to complete the introduction first. You have to write the introduction first. Afterwards, you have to write the exercise problem. Okay. Let's see our exercise problem. Okay, this is your exercise 2.1 ma. Solve the following simpler equation. It is a simple equation. What is meant by simple equation ma? It is another name of linear equation in one variable. Okay, it is another name of linear equation in one variable. All are linear equations na ma. In here m power is 1, but instead of Any variable is there? No. Okay, only m is there, means it is a linear equation in one variable. Each example is, each problem is having the linear equation in one variable having the degree 1 and variable also 1. Okay, here only n is there, here only n is there, here also x is there, here only p is there. Okay, here only x is there, power also 1. Okay, these are the example of simple equation, or else you can say it is a linear equation in one variable. Okay, let's solve. What we have to do? Solve the following equation. We have to solve. Solve means we have to find the whatever variables is there, we have to find the variable value of that variable. Solve means we have to find the whatever variables in the question, that variable, the value of that variable we have to find. Okay, what is the first equation? 6m is equals to 12. Okay, 6m is equals to 12. What we have to do in this question? We have to find the value of m. Okay, whatever variable is there, we have to find the value of that variable. Okay, 6m is equals to 12. Let's see the equation. Let's see the value of that m. Okay, this is your answer. What is that? First you have to write the given equation. Afterwards 6m is equals to 12. Okay, we have to find the m number, that's why we are putting the as 1. Remaining time you have to send the next side. Okay, RHS side. 6 is multiply or divide here. It is a relation between m and 6 is multiplication. 6 is multiply here, it go to the side, become divides the RHS. It become 6 is divide the whole RHS, whatever RHS is there, it divides the whole RHS. 12 is there, it divides the 12. Okay, I hope you understand this condition. 6 is there, it go to the side, become divide. Okay, if some number is multiply, go to the side, it become divide. If some number is divided, go to the side, become multiplication. It is a reverse process. Okay, 6 is multiply here, go to that side, become divides the RHS. Okay, cut it. 6 ones are 6. Okay, 6 twos are 12. What we get, ma'am? M is equals to 12. We have to find the value of m number. We get the value of m. M is equals to 2. It is a similar to first one, ma. Second one, third one and fourth one is similar to first one. Just try it, ma. Just you have to send the value of 14 into the here RHS. It become the 42 by 14. Here we have to send the 5 value to the RHS. It become 30 by 5. Here the 2 is there, 12. We have to send the 2 here. It become 12 by 2. If here the 34 is it. If we send here this side, become 51 by 34. Up to the fourth one you have to try it, ma. If you not get the answer, I will explain in the next class. Okay, second one, third one, fourth one is your homework. It is a simple one. Just you have to take the variable in the one side, remaining time you have to send in the RHS side. Okay, with the help of conditions. Okay, today's class is completed. Just you have to complete your notes till fifth one, and first you have to write the introduction, then you have to start the exercise problems. Okay, after the fifth one question you have to write. Today's class is completed. Thank you.